Hey everyone! In today's video, we're taking a look at the IMIVIO Sports Band, which is compatible with the Apple Watch. If you're someone who's tired of the regular rubber strap that comes with the watch, this might be a great upgrade for you. Let's start by unboxing it. The packaging is compact and clean. Inside, we get the strap along with a simple instruction paper. But to be honest, it's so easy to use. You might not even need it. The strap itself feels soft and flexible. And one of the best things is, it's super stretchable. This makes it really comfortable for everyday use, especially if you're into workouts or long hours of wear. Now let's remove the original strap from the Apple Watch, the one that comes with it. It's the usual rubber band. Nothing too exciting. Time to switch it up. Adding the new IMIVIO strap is simple. Just slide it into place, and you'll hear that satisfying click. It fits perfectly and feels quite secure. Once it's attached, you can easily adjust it to your wrist. The loop and hook design helps. You get the right fit. No dangling parts or sharp clasps. Now that it's on, it actually feels really light and comfortable. Plus, it looks pretty stylish too. So that was a quick look at the IMIVIO Sports Band for Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed the hands-on demo, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and honest tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.